Hi guys, this is Bay and Mom's kitchen, and today Mom's gonna be making the Nigerian delicacy called achicha.
It's not just Nigeria, Igbo delicacy. 042.
So as you can see, that's the dry cocoa yam. She's pouring water in it, as you can see, and she's filling it to the top. And then she's mixing it so then the water goes everywhere. And now we're going to put new water. As we've gotten rid of the old water, we just changed it. Now we're going to cover it and we're going to leave it. We're going to use cling film to cover it, and we're going to leave it for 24 hours.
Yeah, leave it overnight.
Yeah.
And here we are.
As you can see.
Early morning, soft and ready to be washed.
Now we're going to take it out of the water, like drain all the water out of it, and you can see how it looks like right now. I'm going to cover it and leave it for a little bit. And as you can see, we have some
ingredients.
Yes, some crayfish, some salt, some Maggi and Knorr.
This is the okpaka. I love okpaka.
Okpaka.
So season to taste. That's
crayfish.
Mom's magic. Add some little crayfish. And a little salt.
Not too much, or no, salt isn't good.
Teeny weeny. Add water.
Actually, adding the water, not too much water because
see how old people use.
So we're gonna add some red oil to it, some palm oil, and we're gonna cover it and
bring it to boil and keep stirring.
Then we're gonna use some kitchen foil, put the achicha into the foil. And as you can see, Mom's folding it.
Watch closely so that you can see how I am folding this. We don't have the kind of the natural leaves, so we're using foil because obviously so see how I'm folding it neatly so it doesn't break into the pot, and that won't be nice. So ensure it's sealed properly, and then set aside and do the rest the same way. I think we had about 6 or 7 wraps. There we go.
So now we're going to place it into the pot. We're going to put some water into the pot.
There's a little sieve in there, isn't there?
Yeah. So we're going to place them on top of it.
Be careful.
Because it's very hot and you don't want to burn yourself. So make sure...
Mommy, my hand's already immune to heat.
So make sure if you're going to make it, your parents must be there to supervise you so then you don't get hurt. And I'm going to cover it with foil.
Just to make sure that we get the steam, because this thing cooks with steam. Yeah.
So we're just going to...
Then check it. Yeah. Just leave it a little bit more. I don't want it too soft. I wanted it a little crunchy so that you enjoy. So I think it's done now. There you go.
Yeah.
Okay, time to open the big reveal. Woo!
It looks so nice.
Looks like jollof rice.
No, it looks like minced meat.
Looks like minced meat. That's it. It's true.
And
okay, that's
some pepper and onions, and
everything all set. Akbaka. So we're gonna start frying now. Add more oil, red oil.
Not too much. Okay. And then add the onions into it. Give it a lovely stir.
And add Mommy's magic into it, and that's what? Crayfish. Keep stirring. I do this on high heat, okay, so that we get everything done. Once the crayfish is a bit fried and brown, we start adding other condiments. Okay, see, all fried. And then the next one we will add... Mommy, what do you think we'll add next?
I think
okpaka. We're gonna add the
okpaka.
Yeah, to fry with the oil and the onion. Oh, I love this. I tasted a little bit and it's like, oof, heavenly. See? But that's not what we're making today.
That's what it looked like.
Yeah. So after the okpaka, I now add the Knorr cubes. I mix Knorr cube and the Maggi. Yeah, that's why I don't use too much salt, because I add the Maggi and the Knorr. So keep stirring. And the next one,
pepper to give it some spice. Doesn't make it. It won't be spicy, but it will have a spicy taste to it.
A beautiful flavor.
Yeah, flavor is really nice.
That's it.
And then we're going to add the achicha.
So Nachi, your voice is low, my voice is high. That's a nice crescendo. Time to mix. This is a big mix. Okay, just do that gently, one after the other, little by little, so that you get the very, very good mix. Okay, so I initially mixed the first one. You can see the red popping, you can see the white onion. So let's try this one again. Add more as long as you can contain, and be careful when you're pouring this in. If any mistake, you get everything spilled. Okay, get help if you can. Get your child, get your husband. My husband was in the kitchen helping and also recording. So there you go, mix.
So then the onions and it's everywhere, all over the achicha.
Some people say achicha, but we 042 people say achicha. Is E instead of A. Yes.
Achicha. And the okbaka.
Yeah, some people call it coconut flakes, but we call it what? Achicha.
So as you can see, guys, it's almost ready. It's almost done. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, not too much salt. As you can see, Mum used the smallest side.
Yeah,
because you don't want it to be too salty.
It wasn't just a pinch, or less than a pinch, just a tiny bit. And then taste. Ooh, look at that. Sumptuous. My God.
It looks so nice.
042, we're a mother. Oh, we have food though. Our culture is so rich. Look at this. Just check this out. Try this, and let me know. Oh, check this out. This is Daddy's. Daddy wanted to do a test, so I gave him. See, baby, is enough. Okay, there we go.
As you can see, it's hot. It's very nice. You can see the peppers, the onions, the okbaka.
It's ready.
It's ready to be eaten and to be served.
See me with my spoon on the side, waiting for consumption. This is really good, guys. Try this if you can. And there we are, achicha, cocoyam flakes from 042 Enugu, Nigerian delicacy. Try this and thank me later. See? Try this with your family and thank us later. This is Mom and
Bae.
It's not Dance for Healthy African Approach to Fitness. It's Mom and Bae's Kitchen. Oh my God, look at that. Oh, Zena. This is nice. You see?
And it tasted very good as well.
So good. Go grab. You can buy achicha, cocoyam, dry one anywhere. Pound it, get it ready. Grind it if you want, just to this consistency, to these shapes and sizes. And once it's done, soak it. I soaked mine overnight, and then get it a little soft. Wrap it in a foil like you've already seen. Put it, let it steam to cook. Once done, fry, mix together, and you jam 'em. Love ya.
Bye.